The next step we are going to do is to create a role so that our Lambda function actually has permissions to access the database once we create those two. Without this role, our database isn't just going to let anybody access it. So the role gives permission for the Lambda function to actually come into our database. So we're going to go back to our console manager and we're going to look for IAM, which stands for Identity and Access Management. And we're going to go on the side where it says roles, and we're going to create a role, and we're going to create a Lambda function role. Then we're going to go next, and the permissions that we're going to give it is for DynamoDB. So if we just type in dy, it'll show up, and we're just going to select full access. In reality, you would not normally give it full access because you would only give it the minimum permissions that it needs, like maybe just read only for when it's getting information out. But for now, we're just going to leave it at full access. Tags, since we're just starting off, we're not going to have any tags. The role name, we're going to give it our, we're going to call it AWS Serverless Web App, like we've been calling everything else. And you will notice it gives us errors because you can't have any spaces. So we're just going to put underscores in. And we're going to say create role. And there it is showing up there. So when we go to create our Lambda function after we create our database, then we can use this role to access the database.